How's it going, everybody? Hope you're all doing well. Don't mind the gunfire in the background. I am at a kind of open range where everybody can do whatever they want. But we're going to be talking about the M18 today and how I have learned to be more confident with this, because for many years of being professionally armed with this tool, I would always have to compensate for a certain accuracy point. And normally I always thought it was me, which it kind of is, but it is the weapon system. Specifically transitioning from the M9 to the M18. I'm going to show you how to be more confident with this, especially my active duty military folks out there. So I recently went to a more advanced course with M4 and M9 or M18. And the instructor's funny, as soon as I showed up, they're like, hey, you're going to shoot low left with your M18. I'm like, how do you know that? And they said that to everyone. And it's interesting to dive into. After 7,000 rounds I have used this weapon system for, I have got accurate with it, but I haven't been able to precisely nail down what the issue was, which, come to find out, I did know. I just was doing something wrong. And that's how it is. Normally a weapon system is exactly precise. It's perfect. If you have issues with it, it's normally the shooter. As in this case, it was me. And it doesn't matter that I have 7,000 rounds through it. It doesn't mean I'm a good shooter. You could have 100,000 rounds through a weapon system. It doesn't mean you're a good shooter. But implementing what you've learned allows you to be a better shooter. So I'm going to show you real time right here what I have been doing wrong in this entire time. So real time, I don't do any of the one takes and stuff. So dot in the center. Let's go ahead and do it. I'm going to shoot. I'm going to shoot how I normally did. Equal height, equal light, which I'll explain more here in a second, which is true in the Beretta. So let's go ahead and shoot. We're going to come up, equal height, equal light, low. Okay, come back up. Equal height, equal light, low. We're at the 3 meter mark, by the way. Try again. Low. Cool. Low to the left a little bit. Huh. Interesting. Having this issue a lot, so I've always had to compensate. What am I doing? Is it trigger squeeze? No. These sights are different. So like I said, one take, we're going to go back through and we are going to put another circle. Now this is what I've learned. I'm going to explain. Don't do equal height, equal light, because these are combat-based sights, not precise, specific shooters sights like on the Beretta. So go ahead and punch out. Dead center. Got one a little low. For the most part, as you can see, between the two, where are we at? This is what is different. These are combat-based sights. Now I get it, they come with it. Hey, combat-based sights. Not precision shooter sights. So you don't do equal height, equal light with these. You do line up the dots, which some of you are going, duh, moron, that's how it is. But you got to think of it from my perspective. I've been shooting the Beretta M9 for 20,000+ rounds on quick draws, as in movement drills, shooting professionally around. So my brain is automatically doing that. And to jump from the Beretta sights to this is a difficulty, because I only have 7,000 rounds through this thing compared to 20,000+. So it wasn't until I went to that course, got really explained on and talked to about it, that now I see the error in this. And it might help some of you out there that are dealing with the same exact thing. 1911s, equal height, equal light. Smith & Wessons, equal height, equal light. HKs, same way, unless you have combat-based sights. So you line up the dots, not the actual sights themselves, which kind of annoys me. But hey, I get issued this and I have to know. I wanted to pass on that information to inform you, hey, this is how it is. Let's just do it again for the heck of it. Shoot again. All right, so come back up. Low left. See? All right, cool. Again. Funny how that works. Low left on the first one. Go ahead and reinitiate. Get my brain to rework. Shoot. There you go. Now, why this was so important for me, or necessary, if you guys care, is because we were shooting a very tight box in this course, the tee box specifically. And if you didn't get your rounds in that tee box, you failed, you went home from the course. Bummer. Luckily made it through, no issues, got qualified on the course and everything. But that specific information assisted me greatly in learning, and I want to pass that on to you, because you, as active duty or even recreationally or whoever you are, may have this same issue. So if you like this kind of stuff, want to see more, definitely like, subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Go ahead and check out Amazon affiliate links if you want to. If you want to assist the channel, I make a few cents off of whatever you buy. If you don't want to do that, that's fine too. We have PayPal, Patreon if you want to be a part of that. If not, that's fine too. So I just wanted to pass on this information. It assisted me, so I figured, what the heck? I'm not that great of a shooter. I'm not amazing. I'm just a normal average dude here. And I figured it would help other people, so I'm sending it. Y'all have a great day.